Mm. Welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Last week we made the famous Big Mac, and today we are going to make another famous fast food sandwich, the Whopper. Over the years, the Whopper has also been hailed one of fast food's most notorious burgers. They call it the King. Today we are going to make this huge burger at home. You need these ingredients: 500 grams of ground beef, sesame seed bun, pickles, salt, pepper, ketchup, sliced white onion rings, sliced tomato, shredded iceberg lettuce, and mayonnaise. Place your ground beef into a bowl and put in a pinch of salt and pepper and mix it all together. Then flatten the patties to the appropriate size and let them chill in the fridge while we chop up our vegetables. Place them onto a plate for dressing the burger once it's done. Once it's done, start assembling your burger. Well, now it's ready. They don't look exactly the same because I couldn't find the same size bun, but to be honest, I kind of prefer like this. I prefer, as the beef patty is huge, I prefer less bun and I prefer more meat. So I can't wait to taste it. Mm. I'm going to compare with the Whopper from the Burger King. It's so good because I can bite everything together at the first time. The beef is really juicy. But I'm going to have another bite to see if I can get the other stuff inside. Anyway, what do you guys prefer? Let your opinion in the comments, and I'll see you next week for another video.